We recently had an amazing stay at the Waldorf Astoria CANCUN, and I decided to put together this video to share our experience with you. We will be talking about the amenities, the activities, and the kids program that the hotel has to offer. By the way, I'm ViVi, and in this 2023, I will be showing you 23 luxurious places you don't want to miss. Number 5 in the list is the amenities of the Waldorf Astoria CANCUN. I have also published 3 other videos reviewing the hotel rooms, the food, and the spa in detail. I will be linking those videos in the description box. The Waldorf Astoria CANCUN is located just 15 minutes away from the international airport and about 30 minutes away from the famous hotel Cancun Zone. The hotel has 173 luxurious rooms and suites. Something that I like about the way that they built this hotel is that all rooms and suites have ocean views and a soaking tub. The hotel owns 100 acres of mangroves, so it is secluded. I strongly suggest renting a car if you would like to explore the area, as even the main entrance of the hotel is miles away from the actual lobby. The resort has 2 infinity pools and 2 jacuzzis for all guests in the main area. I fell immediately in love with the hotel upon our arrival. The majestic wood doors at the entrance were impressive. The lobby has plenty of seating areas, and the interior design is so tasteful. I love how they incorporate local art in the decoration through all the hotel. The resort has 4 restaurants and a pool bar. Malpeque eats fine dining. Chaya has an international menu. Jaos is a Mexican gourmet restaurant. Peacock Alley has drinks and small bites. And the pool bar has very similar, almost the same menu as Jaos. I review each of these restaurants in my previous video. What can you do at the Waldorf Astoria? So let's start with the most obvious activities, and then I will tell you some that I wish I knew before traveling to Cancun. Number 1 is relax by the pools. As I mentioned before, there are 2 infinity pools with a mesmerizing view to the ocean. There are quite a few cabanas in the pool area. If you would like to use them, you need to choose one of the following packages. But there is a hack. The following cabanas near to the first pool don't require extra charge. Let me show you in an aerial picture which exactly I'm referring to, and are these ones that are circled in red. A luxurious touch around the pool was the sunglasses cleaning services. Thank you to Juan Manuel, who graciously made sure we had clean glasses. Number 2, enjoy the beach. It is beautiful, and when I visited there wasn't seaweed, only very little, and actually this was one of my concerns. Unfortunately, during our 8-day stay, 4 days was raining. And like raining hard, there was a cold front, and we were not able to use the pools or swim in the beach during those days. But I did take advantage of the spa. In case of raining, I suggest a visit to the beautiful spa. I filmed my entire experience with everything you need to know, and that video will also be linked down in the description box. But in summary, it was a very nice treatment and I really enjoy it. Another activity you can do is exercising. I forgot my gym clothes, so I wasn't able to use the fitness center, but let me give you a tour. It had good equipment and enough treadmills and ellipticals, and it was supervised by a private instructor. Besides the fitness center, the Waldorf Astoria also offers wellness and fit experiences like yoga, Pilates, meditation, stretching, and even bike experience. I will be putting the schedule we had during my visit at the end of the video. I'm also including the prices for private classes for your reference. Just keep in mind that most likely the schedule won't be the same during your stay, but at least you know what to expect. And by the way, the yoga class at sunrise in front of the beach looked lovely. The hotel offers only 1 or 2 entertainment experiences per day. I strongly recommend you schedule them to not miss them. Some examples during our stay are live DJ at the fire pits. We were usually only 1 or 2 families, and the DJ was really good. He tried to please us and played our request songs with great mixes. So a big thank you to DJ Alan. Other example is live sax on the lobby, violinist, cellist. I will also be adding the entertainment program at the end of the video for your reference. The Waldorf Astoria CANCUN also offers a day pass to visit the all-inclusive Hilton Cancun, which is right next door. The cost of the pass for our family was $800 per day for 2 adults and 2 kids, which I found out to be more than the actual rate for staying at the Hilton itself. A suggestion to the hotel is to price this pass accordingly, as it didn't make any sense. I really wanted to visit the Hilton because they have nightly entertainment and shows, unlikely to the Waldorf Astoria. The Waldorf Astoria has daily activities for kids. At 10, 11, and 1, the ladies in charge of the program, Aranza and Jennifer, were great. Thank you for being so patient and caring with the kids. I will be sharing the kids program at the end of the video. It would have been really nice if they had a kids club as the other Waldorf Astorias. My kids were extremely disappointed as they much rather play with their peers instead of sitting down in a fine dining setting. I think that this can easily be fixed by offering a 2-hour kids activity during dinner, even if it is for an extra charge. Or another suggestion is to let the Waldorf Astoria guests use the Hilton Kids Club. And for rainy days, they offer board games, a traditional Mexican dish called buñuelos, with hot cocoa and bracelet making. Also during raining days, they play movies in a special room next to the lobby. We love this. Popcorn and drinks were served, and they even had my favorite sauce, Valentina. During all those rainy days, we took advantage of these activities, but I also recommend to rent a car, take a taxi, or use the hotel transportation to visit some of the shopping malls in the area. There are plenty of things to do, see, and eat while waiting for the sun to come out again. There are also lots of luxurious stores in the malls like Hermes and Louis Vuitton. I would like to send a shout out to the bellman in the hotel, Alejandro, and his co-workers Javier and Antonio. They were so attentive, always greeting us with a big smile and always remembering our last name. So now let me tell you that they have a few culinary experiences that I did not even know about during my stay. And these include beer, tequila, and mezcal tasting, margarita class, Mexican wine testing, rum tasting, which I don't mind because we do not consume alcohol, but I also found out they have cooking demos that I will totally have booked. They offer these demos at Chaya and Yao. They have the Mexican cooking demo, the Mayan cooking demo, and both sounded fantastic. I hope to review these for you in my next visit. But what blew me away is that they have a Yucatan tea time at Peacock Alley. Wait, what? If you have been in my channel before, you know that I love tea, especially afternoon tea. So this was a unique and extremely appealing activity for me. I wish I knew about it when I was still there. We went on a tour to visit a cenote, and our personal concierge, Alejandro Di Betanzo, was so helpful arranging our day out, and I want to thank him for his promptly service. I would also like to thank the guest experience manager, Alejandra Vela, for her outstanding service. She made sure we were well taken care of during our stay and resolved any issue in matters of seconds. Okay, now let's talk about the stores. The hotel has a convenience store, a boutique gift shop where you can find elegant fragrances, small leather goods, and Mexican art. The Mexican art is incredible. They have gorgeous pieces and have reasonable pricing. The hotel has a beauty salon right next to the spa. Other water activities that I didn't mention was kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and scuba diving. And I think that there was, or I didn't see it because, as I said, it was raining, but you could also inquire about these activities. I also like the location of the hotel. It's very accessible to go to other places, like, for example, Playa del Carmen or Tulum, because it's almost like on the way between the hotel zone, and it's literally the entrance of the hotel. It's the highway that you take to Playa del Carmen, so it is very easy to go to other places, as this takes you like either to Cancun or Playa or the malls. Like, it's very, I like the location. Obviously you need to have a car, or you need to rent the car to be able to move around, otherwise it could be pricey. For example, the hotel transportation, the company that they use, it's a black SUV. I believe it's a Suburban. They charge $250 for a hotel pickup, and it's only 15 minutes away. So I found it like a little overpriced, especially because it's just like a Suburban. But if you feel safer, and if that's something you would like to do, you know, the prices already. And you, by the way, you have to book it at least 24 hours if you want them to take you to the airport. I didn't do it, and it was too late. I called the night before and it was too late. To conclude, so what made our stay so special? The people working at the hotel were fantastic. HR did an excellent job selecting the right employees, because they really made us feel appreciated and make sure we were enjoying ourselves. And you know, the facilities are gorgeous and elegant, and I can't wait to be back. Guys, this is all for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Here are all the schedules about the activities in the hotel. Salam and subscribe. See you in my next video.